How to delete watch history on Facebook. Open the Facebook app. Go to menu at the top. Scroll down. Click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Setting. Here, scroll down. In your Activity section, click on Activity Log. Here, scroll Tags. Now click on Videos Watched. And here, click on Clear Video Watch History. Again, click on Clear. It will take a moment to clear history. Go back and watch again. Now you can see it is deleted permanently. That is how you can delete watch history on Facebook. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.